Here's what you need to know about what is a proxy server. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A proxy server is an intermediary device that sits between clients and the Internet, forwarding requests on their behalf. It masks the client IP address and can cache content, filter websites, and enforce security policies. Proxies are used in both corporate networks and home environments to control and monitor Internet access. Key concept: forward versus reverse proxy. A forward proxy sits in front of clients. Users send requests through it to reach the Internet. A reverse proxy sits in front of servers. It receives requests from the Internet and forwards them to internal servers, hiding server details from clients. Key concept: content caching. Proxy servers store copies of frequently requested web content locally. When the same content is requested again, the proxy serves it from cache without fetching from the Internet. This reduces bandwidth usage and speeds up browsing. Key concept: web filtering and control. Organizations use proxy servers to block access to prohibited websites and monitor employee browsing. The proxy inspects URLs and applies content filtering policies before allowing or denying requests. All traffic is logged for auditing. Key concept: anonymity and IP masking. When a proxy forwards a request, the destination server sees the proxy IP, not the client IP. This provides a layer of anonymity. Transparent proxies pass the original IP in headers, while anonymous proxies do not. Let's look at the full breakdown. Forward proxy sits in front of clients, hides client IP from Internet. Use case: web filtering, caching, corporate control. Reverse proxy sits in front of servers, hides server IP from clients. Use case: load balancing, SSL termination, CDN. Transparent proxy, client-aware, no config needed. Passes client IP, yes in headers. Use case: ISP traffic shaping, monitoring. Here's a real-world example. In a corporate office, all Internet traffic goes through a forward proxy. When an employee tries to visit a social media site, the proxy checks its filter list and blocks the request. When they visit an approved news site for the second time, the proxy serves the cached page instantly, saving bandwidth. The website only ever sees the proxy IP, not the employee laptop. Quick recap before you go. 1. Proxy servers act as intermediaries between clients and the Internet. 2. Forward proxies protect clients. Reverse proxies protect servers. 3. Content caching reduces bandwidth and improves page load speeds. 4. Web filtering allows organizations to block and log Internet activity. 5. Proxies mask client IP addresses, providing anonymity from destination servers. That's what is a proxy server. Covered. Exam tip: know the difference. Forward proxy =, protects, controls clients, corporate filtering. Reverse proxy =, protects / load balances servers, web apps. If an exam question says traffic goes through a device before reaching the Internet, that is a forward proxy. Next up, what is a wireless access point? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.